These IKEA kitchen hacks will come in very handy when renovating or installing a new kitchen. And, as we spend so much time in our kitchens, for everything from cooking, working to socializing, we all want a chic and stylish space to enjoy that's also unique. The best IKEA hacks ensure you can have a high-end look even if you don't have the budget to match. 1. Floating kitchen CD board unit with the IKEA Ever. This extraordinarily contemporary and chic-looking floating kitchen CD board unit is artfully put together by sticking craft wooden dowels onto the front. The standard Ever pine facades are hidden in plain sight. More suited, we would suggest to keeping crockery and glassware in. We can't imagine that this design would withstand heavy family use. 2. Add handcrafted leather pull tabs to IKEA kitchen cabinetry. We've shown you how to upgrade your IKEA kitchen cabinetry handles for a brassier style, but how about considering some crafted leather pull tabs? Not as difficult a hack to recreate as you might think. We do have a lot of rough and industrial elements in our other kitchens. We wanted this one to be fresh, clean and modern, but also cozy at the same time. 3. Turn IKEA cabinet boxes into banquet kitchen seating. This stunning kitchen just immediately conjures up the presence and aura of a high-end design, doesn't it? The built-in cabinetry and banquet seating is everything you'd expect from working with a bespoke kitchen manufacturer. 4. Tall cupboard with a clever IKEA Ever hack. We used 2 of the larger Everpine cabinets to make a worktop pantry for our budget kitchen makeover. We put one on top of the other and screwed them together to secure and then anchor to the wall. 5. Get a shaker-style kitchen pantry with a cool IKEA Ever hack. Make doing the laundry a much more pleasant experience with a very cool IKEA Ever hack. We made a kitchen pantry with 2 cabinets, and bought another 2 to turn into wall cupboards for our utility makeover. Once assembled, we attached to the wall with heavy-duty hollow wall anchors. These cabinets are heavy, so, if mounted, you need to make sure they are well secured. 6. Rustic farmhouse-style spice rack. We love this IKEA kitchen hack, because it not only provides a way for you to display your oils and spices together, but it saves space in your cupboards for other things. 7. Polish with paint. We talk about this a lot, but paint really is transformative. By adding a fresh lick of paint to a wall, a ceiling, furniture, anything really, it gives it a new lease of life. Kitchens aren't any different. Painting the kitchen can make your tired and dated cabinets suddenly look brand new and completely on trend. Brighten and lighten the room with a gorgeous off-white, soften with pastels, or make a statement with a bolder color. 8. Upgrade your cabinets. Want a slightly more dramatic change than just a new paint color? That's fine, you can do that too. You don't need to replace the entire kitchen, just the cabinet fronts. There are specific companies such as Superfront or IKEA that are dedicated to making and selling beautiful doors to fit IKEA kitchens to take your kitchen from cheap to chic. 9. Crown molding. Building in your kitchen gives an ultra bespoke finish, as it ensures the cabinets look made to fit. By crown molding, you achieve that beautiful traditional element that is perfect for classic properties or farmhouse cottages. This is a perfect solution for those in more traditional homes that want their kitchen to be in keeping with the style of their property, but not with the bespoke price tag. 10. Change the hardware. This is such a small upgrade that makes such a big difference. Just adding or changing the handles or knobs can completely transform the look of your kitchen. Have a real think if you want brass accents to stick with chrome, an organic wood finish, or some industrial black metal. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.